Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. If you didn't see my last video, check it out above where we unboxed the Kokopelli Rogue Light Pack Raft. Pretty awesome. We've got a related product today that we'll show you. And this one, I've already kind of sliced this open just to make it a little easier, but this is the Alpine paddle that they offer. And with these pack rafts, it's really important to keep the weight down so that you can pack this in on a long hike or a multi-day trip up to Alpine lakes, or being able to float a river as a part of your adventure. So these things are pretty sweet. Super lightweight. In my review on johnlaguardia.com/gear reviews, I'll make sure and put all the specs on these. You'll be able to determine how heavy these will make your pack. But wow, this is awesome. Really impressed with how lightweight this is. Let's see if I can put this thing together. It just has the, I don't know what they call these little snaps, but you put one side of the paddle together and then the other, and then the midsection snaps together in the same way. Oh yeah, that's super durable, super light, and yeah, I'll have a full review coming on this in the future, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video, and also check out johnlaguardia.com. I'll put a link down in the description below to all these products so that you can check them out yourself and see if they're right for you. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video.